Building information modeling is a procedure in industry to see a project in visualization form, which is completed by different softwares so that avoid difficulties during construction and complete the project as best as possible. For that, there is a best software is Revit. So today topic is Revit introduction. So you guys subscribe my channel first, like and share also. Startup screen is in front of us after opening the Revit. Here is two categories. First category is model and the second one is family. We can open an existing model from open button in the model category and we can create model from the new button. Same like we can open an existing family from open button in the family category and can create family from new button. File extension of a model is .rvt and file extension of a family is .rfa. Same like .dwg of a CAD file. There are some helpful links in Learn which helps to start a work. Here some recent and some sample projects. If we move our cursor over any project, it gives saved path, modified date, time and size. Same like we have some sample families. We have info bar on right upper corner. We can study any topic there. We can search and purchase any item from here. Let's open any sample architecture project. Top of the left corner, we have quick access toolbar. This toolbar is composition of frequently used tools. For example, home, open, new, save, plot, etc. Now we open floor plan. After that is tab bar. All the tools under architecture tab is called ribbon. Each ribbon consists of different panels. For example, architecture tab have build, circulation, room and area panels. We can relocate a panel. Now we move out build panel. We can adjust it another place. If we set it into default location, then go to the right side and click return panel to ribbon. It will go on default location. After that there is a properties palette. When we did not select any object in the model or drafting view, then properties show current view properties in drawing area. The top section of properties palette is called type selector. When we select an object or select a tool from placing any object, then we can change type from drop down list, slightly bottom side from type selector. It provides us complete detail of any object like size, reference level, offset, system type, material, etc. There are selection options slightly above from properties palette. We can lock or unlock links, underlay elements, pinned and byface elements. Project browser organized the project inside the Revit. We found different type of views, schedules, sheets, families and links in an organized form so that work will be easy. Options bar appears after selection of any object. Options bar is an important part of user interference. When we select any tool or object in the project. It shares related information of this object, for example, size, elevation. This is drawing working area. We use this area for modeling. We can see it in 3D. There is view cube in right upper portion of working area. View cube guides us the direction of a model. We can see and understand the direction of model and makes our work easy. There is view control bar under the drawing working area. View control bar is an important tool for display. It provides us the model scale, detail level, view style, work sharing display, isolate, hide, unhide objects, and used for different options. There is status bar under the view control bar. It gives the information of selected items. It consists work set indicator and design option indicator. I am just providing basic information of all tools. Detailed video I will share with you later on. There are recent documents in file drop down. It is arranging the model name by latest open. We can also arrange it by ordered list, access date, size or type. All the open views appears in open document. We can create a project, family or detail item from new button. We can open any working project, family or component from open button. We can save any project, family, annotation or template file from save button. We can make a duplicate copy of same category. We can export schedule, IFC, DXF of a project. We can close recent project from close button and close Revit from exit Revit button. Its options button. Inside options dialog box, there is notification, username, keyboard shortcuts, graphic control, model file location, project template, rendering, view cube, and lots of things which I share you with detailed video. So wait for my next video. Thanks.